go. That's just how you live. Oh, take it all, but you never give. Should've known you was trouble from the first kiss. Had your eyes wide open. Why were they open? Gave you all I had and you tossed it in the trash. You tossed it in the trash, you did. To give me all your love is all I ever ask. Cause what you don't understand is I'd catch a grenade for ya. Throw my hand on a blade for ya. I'd jump in front of a train for ya. You know I'd do anything.
Morning, Alvin.
Good morning to Alan. You see the traffic?
Yes, especially at the main road going here.
Next time, we need to wake up early.
I used to do that too, but I didn't woke up early this morning.
Why?
Because I went to my cousin's house and celebrate his birthday, and I get very drunk.
Good afternoon, ma'am. Sa Yude's Restaurant, there's our menu. Anything to order, ma'am?
I'd like to order wonton dumplings
Yes, ma'am.
and fresh mango slice for dessert.
Yes. How about your drinks, ma'am?
2 cups of tea.
Okay. I just repeat your order, ma'am. 1 wonton dumplings, fresh mango slice, and 2 cups of tea.
Okay.
Okay. It will be right away, ma'am.
It seems that we went to the right place. I think so.
Here's your order, ma'am. Anything you want to order, ma'am?
No thanks, this is enough.
Okay.
Thank you. Yes. Okay. Yes, please come in.
Good afternoon, ma'am. Miss Cheryl Tagalikod and Cecilia Espiritu is waiting at the lobby. I'll just confirm if you set any appointment with them.
Oh yes, let them in.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Okay, have a seat. I'm glad that you received my email for an appointment.
Yes, ma'am. I just received your email just after I create a new profile for our company website.
So, what's the matter we are talking for? I just set an appointment to let you know that we're having a board meeting for this afternoon. And I want both of you to please bring your reports on your department. Is that clear?
Don't worry, ma'am. We just finished with our reports for this month.
And we all have a good report for the president. Okay, that will be all.
Thank you, ma'am.
Hello, good afternoon. Sa Ilod Rest of our customer service. How may I help you?
Hello, this is Kenneth Blanco.
Oh, yes, sir. We offer total rental service, by the way. For what occasion, sir?
Just a birthday celebrate.
Okay, sir. We can settle your reservation. We're in the specific branch. Would you like to book, sir?
I would like to book a Dalabang branch.
Okay, sir. Wait a while, sir. Just... Okay. Just checking the place availability. Okay.
Okay.
I'm glad to tell you, sir, that we place available for reservation. So when you would like to reserve the place, sir? Okay, sir. That would be available for now. I would just get your information. What's your full name and address?
I'm Kenneth Blanco, and I live at number 0922.
Okay, thank you.
Okay.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Oh, good afternoon, Mr. Dungaw. Any good news?
Actually, yes, I want you to see this resume to pass the interview.
May I look at it? Oh, this is all good. Call for a seminar tomorrow then.
Okay, ma'am, I promise to do it.
You need to be there as well to monitor their performance.
Okay, ma'am, tomorrow I'll do it as well.
Okay, is that all you want to discuss?
Yes, ma'am, that's all I want to report for this day.
Okay, I think we're finished to that subject matter.
Okay, ma'am, I will leave now.
Okay, thank you.